पहला घर लेना हमेशा एक सपना सा होता है। राजेश और प्रिया को जब ये घर मिला, वो पल उनके लिए ऐसा था जैसे वो सपना हकीकत में बदल गया हो।
बहुत दिनों तक रिसर्च करने के बाद फाइनली प्रिया को इंस्टाग्राम पे डिजाइन कैफे का अकाउंट मिला और फिर उन्हें हमारे इनोवेटिव डिजाइन सॉल्यूशंस और होम इंटीरियर्स के बारे में पता चला। कुछ दिनों के बाद वो हमारे MG रोड एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर में आए एंड दैट्स इट। That's where their journey began with DesignCafe to make their dream home a reality. We are here today at this simple yet beautifully designed 2 BHK of 1,100 square feet with minimalist style interiors, clean lines and soft colors. I am Rukmini Saha on behalf of DesignCafe Homes and welcome to this beautiful home tour of Mr. Rajesh and Mrs. Priya Yadav at Prestige Jindal City, Bangalore. Well, we did make their dream come true. And not just them, this can be your dream home too. So if you're looking for a transformation, do click on the link below for a free design consultation. Also, do watch this video till the end because we have someone very special joining us today. Someone who is very vital behind this entire interior design of this 2 BHK. राजेश और प्रिया दोनों ही इंजीनियर्स हैं आमची मुंबई से। 2018 में वो लोग नम्मा बेंगलुरु में शिफ्ट हुए और फिर यहीं पे अपने पेरेंट्स और बच्चे के साथ सेटल हो गए। They say that the first impression is the last impression, and I must say the foyer area always marks the first impression of any house. Hence, the theme of this foyer area is ultra fancy because of this glass molding on this wall and the pendant light hanging on top. This pendant light lights up this entryway beautifully. Apart from that, there is also ample storage space for all your shoes and a comfortable seat as well so that you can sit down while wearing your shoes. इस लिविंग रूम में एक बहुत ही इंग्लिश कंटेम्पररी सा वाइब है। हमने ये कैसे किया? Well, we added this European style wall moldings on this wall. This adds an architectural character and even makes your room much more bigger. In fact, these are a rage nowadays and very popular. At DesignCafe, when we promise 20% more storage space, we mean clever space saving option like this tall unit which is designed from floor to ceiling. It gives ample space for the couple to store all their books, their important files and even electronic gadgets. This TV unit looks illuminated due to the cove light behind the TV panel. And the showstopper of the living room has to be this L-shaped sofa. The mauve color here gives such a rich and elegant look to this entire living room. Needless to mention, this house has been very delicately crafted and balances a lot of design sensibility. राजेश और प्रिया अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हैं और इसीलिए उन्हें एक पूजा यूनिट तो चाहिए ही था. And that is why we designed this puja unit in the dining area. They really loved all the materials and the finishes used for the puja unit. It has a cove light inside and obviously multiple storage units below for them to store all the puja accessories. In fact, this entire thing looks like a decor accent, especially because of this white jali design. Don't you think so? राजेश और प्रिया का 1 साल का बच्चा है राजवीर। उसकी सेफ्टी को दिमाग में रखते हुए दोनों बहुत ही क्लियर थे कि उनको कोई भी स्टोरेज में हैंडल्स नहीं चाहिए था. Hence this entire design. Another very beautiful design that we did for them in the kitchen is this tall broom unit. Now you know where to hide your broom and your mop stick whenever guests are coming over. The glossy laminates, contemporary style cabinets provided here are designed very cleverly, providing them ample storage as well as easy functioning. Another highlight of this kitchen I must mention is this wicker basket, which is another storage solution and it is a rage these days. Wicker baskets are generally used to store groceries like fruit and vegetables which do not require refrigeration. If you're interested to know more about the types of modular kitchen, then do click on the link in the description box below. इस मास्टर बेडरूम में घुसते ही जो सबसे पहली चीज मैं आपको दिखाना चाहूंगी वो है ये बड़ा सा मिरर. And this looks stunning, isn't it? Another highlighter of this room is this large sliding wardrobe in glossy laminates from floor to ceiling. This gives them ample space to store all their clothes and accessories. I'm sure Priya को अभी ये कंप्लेन करने का मौका नहीं मिलता होगा कि उसके कबर्ड में कपड़े के लिए जगह नहीं है. This room has a very neat and neutral color palette along with high gloss laminate and these warm, light, soft brown curtains which gives a very peaceful vibe to this room. I must say that I love the sleek false ceiling as well as this sober color headboard. Everything complements each other so beautifully. इस गेस्ट बेडरूम में घुसते ही जो सबसे पहले आपके नजर में आएगा वो है ये sleek study table with these spotlights. In fact, this is even used as a workstation by the couple. This thing ticks off the most important design element in any guest bedroom, that is functionality and comfort. I must also mention that these floor-to-ceiling curtains adds to the charm of this room. Multifunctional wardrobes are an evolving trend and also an integral part of bedroom interiors today. So here's a design tip for you. If you have space crunch, opt for such kind of space-saving wardrobes that will make your room more functional as well as clutter-free. The fact that this bedroom accommodates a functional wardrobe as well as a study table despite being a compact space is really interesting. It has a very minimalist vibe and all the design elements are more inclined towards earthy colors and clean lines. Interestingly, this room has been designed very cleverly, keeping the larger picture and purpose in mind. Well, as promised, introducing you to one of the most important person behind this entire design.
Well, the house is designed in modern contemporary style and it also appeals the dynamic lifestyle of my client Rajesh and Priya. My favorite part of the interiors would be master bedroom wardrobe, which is floor to ceiling. There is a chic addition of dresser mirror on, which is again floor to ceiling. Design tip of the day. If the home is styling contemporary interiors and if you want to have a European touch to it, what you can do is you can have a wooden beading on the wall. You can have floor to ceiling curtains, floor to ceiling wardrobes, and at the same time you can have colors like mauve, red, blues, browns for your upholstery that you can have it on your sofas, spokes and headboards.
Rajesh and Priya's house was indeed very warm, inviting and super functional too. Finally, we are here at the end of this home tour. I'm so glad that they chose DesignCafe as their interior design partner and made us a part of this beautiful journey. I really hope that you guys liked this video and do let us know in the comments below what was your favorite part. Hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from DesignCafe. Also, if you want a transformation like this, then click on the link below for a free design consultation. Until then, this is me, Rukmini Saha, signing off from DesignCafe Homes.